If I can write music that incorporates Asian music, if I can put that together with the roots of Latin American music, that would be very interesting. When I came the first time to look at these artworks, I was overwhelmed. It's one of the best exhibitions I've seen. It made me think a lot in how I could translate this to music. I am a pianist. I try to perform mostly original music composed by me. I like the idea of crossing bridges between the classical and the popular music. I know that music is a language. You either speak the language of certain genres or you don't, and you communicate upon your level of the knowledge of the language you are speaking. When I write music to dance or theater, there is an interaction. All these ideas come with musical elements. I expect that the music is going to be strong and beautiful to move, to let people feel motivated to watch the artwork and understand what is the relation of this music with the artwork that is shown here. So I want people to have a very strong impression of what generates the musical elements to write this music. I think, like artwork, music also gives prints on people. Music happens in the time, in that precise time. And the emotion, you feel it's going to be there. But you won't be able probably to hear it again. But you will remember the emotion, the feeling, if it moved you in a way.